Hi everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Welcome back. If you know me already, if you don't, then maybe think about subscribing to my channel and giving me the thumbs up. Anyway, today's is going to be showing you how to make pumpkin soup. Now, I suspect most of you have had a pumpkin over the Halloween period and have leftover pumpkin. So this is to use up that leftover pumpkin that you haven't got a clue what to do with, and it tastes good and it's warming and it's simple to make. So let's go. Right, we're going to turn this pumpkin stuff into lovely delicious soup. Now, what you need to make a really delicious pumpkin soup, pumpkin slushy stuff into delicious homemade steaming hot pumpkin soup. I do make mine even simpler. I use a slow cooker or a meal maker, whatever you call it. I must admit, I just put all the ingredients in and let it simmer for practically all day, and then liquidize it, and there you go. You have your soup. So I'm going to tell you what the ingredients that I use, and this is what it looks like when I'm making it. To make this delicious soup, all you need is 1 kilogram of pumpkin, okay, 3 ounces of butter, 1 onion, 1.5 pints of vegetable stock, a squeeze of lemon juice, a sprinkle of mixed herbs, some garlic, milk, and 4 reasonable sized potatoes. Now, obviously get your pulse out of your pumpkin, weigh it, just put it in the slow cooker with the stock that you've made up, vegetable stock. Cut up your potatoes quite small into little chunks so it won't take so long to cook. Dice up your onions, put it in the slow cooker. Put in some mixed herbs as much as you like. Put in a little bit to start off with. You can always add more, same as the garlic, okay. Then just leave it to simmer. Just leave it for as many hours as you want. You can put it on in the morning before you go out to work and have it when you come home. Then what you do, then give it a little taste, make sure it's got enough seasoning. You can obviously add some salt and pepper. Then I would say liquidize it with one of your liquidizing pumpy things, right? And then I add some milk. Now the milk makes it creamier. You can add as much milk as you want. You can also add cream rather than milk. Entirely if you want it to be creamy, or just if you want cream. If you want to be creamy, then add more cream. If you want it to be just slightly creamy, then add milk, okay? Then give it a good stir up, and then put it in your bowl, sprinkle on a bit of parsley, and it's done. It is as easy as that, okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this this quick talk about pumpkin soup. I just thought I would do a video on it because I think this is a really simple way to cook pumpkin soup, and it does taste really nice. So enjoy, and I hope you all had a lovely Halloween. Bye for now.